Hi guys, good morning. So it is Saturday the 27th of July and it's Dada's birthday. So we're all ready now guys. As you can see, Mimi and Paris is all dressed up and Mama as well. Dada's just getting ready guys because we're going to see his grandparents, but first we're gonna be a good Samaritan today guys, because the how do you call them, the postman delivered something at our place yesterday which is not ours. Show that, Mark. So this box here, it's not ours guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it across the road because I think he just got confused with the numbers guys, the house numbers. So this is our road guys.
Unit 4.
Amo ni siyang dalan gid guys. Kami ginagdagyan. Yeah, so the same unit number, unit 4. So that's why that caused an issue for the delivery guy. So that's what we're doing guys. We're gonna be,
I guess it's Vietnamese.
yeah, I think they're Vietnamese because their last name is, I don't know how to pronounce that, Nguyen, Nguyen. So we're gonna go take it there guys.
Insertion.
So we're going to be the good
Up si Paris na. 1, 2, 3. Spider-Man!
Yeah guys, so
1, 2,
here, so this is it. 24 years. We'll be there. Because for sure, this person must be really worried now guys, because it happened to me the other day. The tracking says delivered, but yeah, I never received it. So yeah, I feel this person. So hopefully he or she'll be happy once we hand him the parcel. Is this the unit 4? Unit 3.
Where's the number?
Oh, hang on. Oh, Paris. Not sure. Wait, careful. Paris. Honey.
I like my shirt.
Your shirt?
My shirt.
Yan ang shirt ko. Sa ako.
Yours is mine.
Sige na. Knock the door. Panuktok na. Pag ding ding. I'll hold her.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
What number are you looking for?
4. Is it unit 4?
Unit 4, yeah.
Yeah. So we got this delivered yesterday at our place.
Yeah.
Yeah, are you Tom?
My nephew.
Ah, okay, yeah. So that's for you. That's for your nephew.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, the postman delivered it to our place for some reason.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we have the same unit 4.
Unit 4, but 23.
Yeah, that's right. So he thought that it's ours, and I said like,
Okay, thank
yeah,
you.
no worries at all.
Thanks a lot.
Okay,
Thank
very
you.
much.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
See ya. Good girl.
Yay!
Yay! Come on. Bye bye. Bye bye. Paris. Bye. Say bye. So guys, we just delivered the goods to the owner guys. And we're just gonna show you our OOTD. Ali, show your OOTD. So this is Paris's guys. So she's got pink dress and pink shoes. Show your pink shoes. This. And a white denim jacket. Oh, there's cat.
is a
And also guys, I've got this set. As you can see, I got this set from Shein. Is that how you pronounce it? Shein. I bought it online, guys. So it doesn't look like it's, you know, I'm going to work. I paired it with sneakers. So, you know, it looks very casual.
Yay!
Come on. So we're gonna go back to the house now, guys, because maybe Daddy's now ready and then we can go. Because it is, what time is it now, Ma?
1.
Yeah, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and it's getting late.
Did you share Mama's video day?
For what?
She sent you?
Video what?
Greetings for Kuya Mike?
Wala.
Nasa messenger daw.
Ay, kang ninin man good nga. Kuha na naka-open. Have a look at it. Quick! Quick! So guys, we're just at Mike's granddad. Happy birthday. It's the birthday boy. So we're just gonna visit his Lolo, guys. And yes.
Yes, huh?
Bob.
No sales people.
Bob, it was like your catfish, you know that guy?
Huh?
Catfish.
Ah,
In the game. Oh,
there it is.
someone's home.
Today! Hello?
Today's wedding.
Hello? Ooh, who's that? Oh! Hello?
It's your daddy's birthday. Happy birthday, son.
Thanks, mate.
Hi.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi, Bob.
Gee, that's a nice old warm coat you got on. How you going, love?
Yeah, good, Bob. How are you?
Oh, not bad.
Good. Oh, TV is off. That's interesting.
What's the go with the dressing gown?
Hi, guys. Good evening. So we are now home, and I just washed my face. I'm just currently putting my night cream on. Paris is now in bed, guys, and Dada's still downstairs watching footy, I think. So yeah, guys, we had dinner at Nan's today. And Pa, thank you so much for dinner. It was so yummy, and I am just getting myself ready for bed now, but I thought I'm gonna come here and, you know, just, I don't know, talk to you and close this vlog. So yeah, guys, as you can see, Paris is now sleeping and Naunggoy is Naunggoy sa kilid, guys. So yeah, we're gonna go check out the birthday boy, what he's doing downstairs. Pantay sa si Paris, maka. So we had dinner at Mike's grandparents tonight, guys, and it was good. It was so yummy. We had roast pork and roast potato and pumpkin and all that. Oh, it was so beautiful. Thank you, Nan, and thank you, Pa. I know you're watching this because you love watching our videos, don't you, Pa? Yes, I'm just gonna go check out what Mike's doing. Hi, Daddy. He's the birthday boy. He doesn't want to be in the video, guys. Daddy, I just wanna check how you're going. How was your day? How's your day? How's your day?
It's good.
Good? Did you enjoy your birthday?
Yes.
Sure? So you guys are just watching TV and
You don't know to put me on
Gonna
that
go
video
there.
when I'm talking like a baby.
so happy birthday, Daddy. That's how we celebrated his birthday, guys. Lahat na kasi Pilipinas, guys, no? In the Philippines, we'll have lechon and everything and handaan. But here, guys, it's adulting Israel, guys. Wala i-share ko. Wala yun, guys. Give me luto. Nothing like that.
You had lechon, you had a fucking roast pork.
Yeah, but it's different. I'm talking about like big celebrations. Yeah, here's guys, like, wala yun, guys. Bisag suman, guys. Wala yun down. Yeah, so yeah, that's a difference of, you know, celebrating your birthday here in Australia. Did you know? Because it's, yeah, in the Philippines I feel like, you know, it's really a big thing, but here they're more on, yeah, whatever. Isn't that right, honey? But yeah, guys, we're just, you know, very thankful for another year added. Isn't that? Alright, Daddy, I'm going. Love you.
Yeah, I love you too, Daddy.
I said I love you too. So yeah, guys, yeah, thank you very much for watching today's video. Yeah, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and also ring that bell so you get notified every time we upload videos. And yeah, don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. See you later, guys. Bye.